Let's drizzle just a little bit of lemon juice because why not? Let's give that some decent flavor. This is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to try this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. Glad to have you back on yet another great episode. On today's episode, we're going to be making fried catfish. All right, let's get right started with the ingredients. Here I have 2 pounds, roughly to 1 kilo of catfish fillets. All right, they are skinless, beautiful large catfish fillets that I got here from my local butcher. All right, let's get right started with the ingredients. Of course, my hands are washed. Let's start seasoning our catfish fillets, starting with some salt. Now, of course, we're going to season our fillets on both sides. First, starting on this side with some salt. Let's start with some flavor. Some regular black pepper. Just some black pepper. That's looking fine. And, of course, some garlic powder. Adding a fairly decent amount of garlic powder. That's going to give your catfish a really good flavor as well. And then some paprika. Really, really basic seasonings. All right, very easy recipe. You can try out for your family, guys. All right. I'm just going to rub this in on this side. Rub the our dry seasonings into our catfish fillets. All right, and let's just flip them over. We're going to repeat the process. Again, seasoning them with the same exact seasonings. All right, now that we got our other side seasoned, again, I'm just rubbing in our dry seasonings into our catfish fillets. That paprika is going to give you a really great color when frying these fish fillets, catfish fillets. All right, I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let the seasonings incorporate well into our catfish fillets. All right, and then we'll move on with the next steps. All right, guys, welcome back. Our catfish fillets have been sitting in my refrigerator for about 20 minutes, letting the seasonings get well incorporated into those fillets. All right, let's get started with our wet ingredients. All right, here I have 2 large eggs. And to my large eggs, I'm going to add a half a cup of milk, just regular cow's milk. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Any favorite hot sauce of your choice. All right, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons. That's going to give your catfish fillets a nice spicy kick. This is optional. Of course, if you don't like things spicy, you don't need to add that in. And then some regular yellow mustard. Any yellow mustard of your choice. I'm going in with a yellow mustard that has some seeds in it as well. Let me just shake that up a little bit. All right, so going in with 1 large tablespoon of yellow mustard. Again, I got a mustard with the mustard seeds in it as well. That's going to give it some really great additional flavor. All right, let's just get everything well beaten, well combined. Was almost about to forget, I'm also going in with the juice of a fresh lemon into our egg mixture. I'm just going to use half of a lemon, just half of a lemon. We don't want this too citrusy. All right, but it's going to give your fish fillets a really, really good flavor. Just half of a fresh lemon. All right, that's looking great. We got our wet ingredients ready. This is going to be our glue, basically our glue for our delicious catfish fillets. Now, just regular all-purpose flour. I'm going to season them with the same exact seasonings that we seasoned our catfish fillets with earlier at the start of the video. So let's go in with some salt. All right, that should be fine. Some black pepper. All right, make sure you season everything. This is going to make sure that your catfish fillets are extra flavorful, even on the flour side. All right, some garlic powder and our paprika. Just a bit. That's going to give a beautiful coloring on the outside once we get these nicely fried. All right, I'm just going to mix our flour. Just give that a good mix. Get your seasonings well incorporated. All right, guys, let's start preparing our catfish fillets. All right, so I'm just going to grab one fillet here. Beautiful fillet, catfish fillet, very large. All right, I'm going to go in with my egg mixture, our wet ingredients. Spilled just a little bit over there. It's all right. Let me flip that over. Let's get each side nicely coated. Drip off the excess into our dry flour. Get that nicely coated. Flip over our fish fillet. Get that flour coated on that other side. Pat it down a little bit, just a little firmly. Make sure everything's well incorporated onto your catfish fillet. All right, we're just going to dust off the excess. Looking beautiful. I'm going to get the rest of these done. I'm going to get my vegetable oil heating. And we'll get to frying some catfish. All right, guys, welcome back. I have some vegetable oil heating here on a medium-high heat. It's been going for about 3.5 minutes. There go our catfish fillets back there looking beautiful. All right, they've also been sitting out for about 10 minutes, letting all that flour coat in to our catfish fillets, let everything settle in properly so that it can fry and crisp well. All right, we're just going to do the oil test. We want this at a high heat, but not too high, because we don't want to burn our fish fillets, all right, our catfish fillets. I'm going to do the oil test, just dropping in a bit of flour into my oil. If it floats up that way, then it's ready to go. All right, let's start frying our catfish. All right, let me grab one fillet here. Slowly place it into your hot oil. Don't let it drop. Slowly put it in. I think I can fit about 2 here because they are quite large. And slowly drop it in. Smelling beautiful already. All right, we're going to let these fry. Don't touch them. Let them fry. Let them crisp up on that first side. Roughly about 3 minutes, we'll go ahead and start chocking them and see if they're ready to flip. All right, they've been frying on that side about 3.5 minutes. Again, always maintaining on a medium-high heat. Let's go ahead and flip these over. Just gonna use a spatula to help me out. Beautiful, beautiful coloring on that side. Perfect. All right, we're gonna let that fry on the other side. Again, roughly about another 3 minutes or so. Smelling beautiful in this kitchen, guys. Smelling amazing. All right, it's been another 3.5 minutes on that side. They should be ready. So we're just gonna take these out. Gently Beautiful catfish fillets made here at Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. Look at that beautiful crispy texture. All right, we're just gonna place this on our bacon tray, our bacon rack, to drain off properly. Beautiful, crispy, fried catfish fillets. Beautiful. All right, let's drain this off. Here on our oven rack. Looking gorgeous. All right, and we're just basically gonna finish this off and repeat the process with the remaining fillets. All right, so I'm just going in with another one. We'll repeat the process. All right, I'm gonna let these cool down once they're ready, just for a couple of minutes. You guys get that first bite as always. All right, guys, welcome back. Here we have it, our fried catfish fillets. All right, they've been sitting here for a couple of minutes. Let them cool off for a little bit so we can give that a good try. Of course, you guys get that first bite. Added some lemon wedges. Of course, that's going to be nice to drizzle over our fish. We have a delicious tartar sauce here, creamy tartar sauce for our fish. All right, let's go ahead and give this a nice cut. Let's see how this came out. Beautiful, beautiful white fish fillet meat in there. Nicely cooked, nicely crisped, crispy flour batter on the sides of our catfish, coated around our catfish. Looking beautiful. Let's drizzle just a little bit of lemon juice, because why not? Let's give that some decent flavor. This is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to try this. There goes your first bite, guys. God bless. Enjoy. I'm sure you guys can hear that crunch. All of those seasonings came through beautifully. The mustard, the hot sauce that we added to our egg mixture, the garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika. Everything is mixing in beautifully. Just gonna give that another cut. Let's try with our tartar sauce. Creamy, creamy sauce. Beautiful. Enjoy. Fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and spending your time with me here as always at Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. Like the video. If you enjoyed the content, as always, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit that bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, it was my pleasure being here with you guys, as always, at Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. And I'll catch you on the next episode.